Next up, we've got an 05 VW that makes noise on braking and acceleration. Next, in the garage.
This Tech Minute is sponsored by Auto Value. Visit us online for more information.
Okay, here's this 05 VW GTI. The customer's complaining about noise on acceleration and braking when they first start off and when they first start braking. Is it the brakes? No, it's actually the control arm bushings. As the vehicle brakes and accelerates, the control arms are moving back and forth due to the forces of braking and acceleration, and this is our noise in the vehicle. So, the solution? Well, you probably need new bushings. A couple choices here. You could install the bushings themselves, press them in and out of the control arms, or you can get a loaded control arm that may come with a ball joint or not. So, if you get one of these cars in your shop with the clunking on acceleration and braking, well, you might want to look at new control arms. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.